Umurukiko rw'abakuru b'amashomero ga Purayimare muri Ntungamo municipality urubira hari municipal council town kagambira abashomesa ngo barye norurya ahabwo kuhanditsa abantu muringo gw'ekishobobo.
Have you handled that issue? Yes. Because the amount of money which I sent you for this term, it reduced. It reduced compared to what you were getting before.
Yes.
When don't you think now they have taken that one as evidence? To cut in and ghost peoples?
Isaiah tumwesije town clerk wa Ntungamo municipality nagamba ngo hati amashomera gamwe batandikire ku gashara sente za UPE nubwo kucondoza kucuru kugendo misho.
The issue is I have learned it is general where the Abaana bona bakirira ishomero. All kids came to school. So the nurseries you didn't have a way of catering for them, you included them.
Yes.
When we included them, they are not 6 years and above. Yes. Those now are termed as ghosts.
Umurukiko n'urwe rumwe bashohwize bya rugero mu bibazo bya PRE kandi abana babishikira higuru.
Je kizame cyo kubacikozere deeply abantu kujya bakoze kizame cy'kubi akawareba percentage ya division 1 we are both at 32%, but our biggest worry kan ukutwa tukino mu rukiko rwitu our biggest worry eri those that were ungraded. Akomwana nyonyine belief nube yakwizira mu division 3 n'yakuje mu division 4 nabatagwa so long as they have been able to pass.
Aruhamba sikoma hango minji ngo kutoreka mutsa ku maintaininga our first position yetu atungire wa comparing with the previous years. Last year we managed the best in the entire country in the PRE performance.
Ebuzo bya PRE nibitandaka habero nabyo kwezi ku 11 umwaka w'2024 umugandi umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa Ankore Right Reverend Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa yashoboze birigiro mbabuzo byo kwegezamo ebya PRE.
Abaana mubabere cyo kuribira mubakunde mubate hamana muza kureba nyesa yabo berabe kandi you love knowledge.
Ebi umurebereze Right Reverend Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa yabagamba rukwasa bakuru b'amashomera ga Purayimare okurugombyanga ebyambarara isinjiro Rwampara hamwe na Mbarara City ebirigire omubuze ebi ahambuga y'uburebereze ruharo Mbarara.
I have great hope in the performance. Abana bitu baza kushika. Because we are making it better every year.
These examinations help our children to get prepared, and they are not worried of any exam because they are using the exams. This one summing up everything means that they are prepared, they have no fears for exams.
Abeegi kanana kinana nabana bashitamire bigezo abeegi Rwenda 27 bizira mu idara ryo kubanza kandi bakora ubuceki 11 n'ubutonyeza umushanja harigana abeegi 1023 bizira mu idara rya kabiri kandi no bakora ubuceka 36 na n'ubutonyeza umukaga harigana.
Twashemerero twareba ngo abana badeni biprovinga bakora je kushiraho kandi cyatwamasiko okugera ngo the PRE results zo mwako bw'ubwibiri abunena nizija kubanungi
teberera abana no kubashomesa urige cyo kureberaho kirungi kumanya ngo bari gukora bine kubaretera gukora je ibigezo byabo kunga no kubaretera gukora je umagara gabo kumanya biri kwita nebiri kukiza kumanya biri kushisha nebitari kushisha.
Ahabwa TV West and area Sertugusa na Fred Anyine.